Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the topic limits. Here we have the part E. Limit when x approaching infinity for the function ff over gx if we obtain the situation infinity over infinity. We denoted it as IDF or indeterminate form. There is a strategy that we can use to solve this kind of situation, which is dividing the numerator and the denominator by the highest power of x of the denominator. I repeat, the highest power of x for the denominator. Kindly write down the key if we have the situation 1 over infinity and it is equals to 0. That is our key. Here we have the example, limit when x approaching infinity for the function x plus 3 over x minus 4. Here, we are going to substitute the value. So, if we substitute the value, we will obtain infinity for the numerator and also infinity for the denominator, and we have IDF. So, now let's have a look for the denominator. What is the highest power of x for the denominator? So the answer is x. So if now what we have to do is to factor the x. So if we factor the x, we will have 1 plus 3 over x over, again, factor out the x and we will have 1 minus 4 over x. Kindly simplify the situation. Limits when x approaching infinity for the function 1 plus 3 over x over 1 minus 4 over x. If we substitute the value infinity for the function 3 over x, 4 over x. So do remember the key, we have 1 over infinity, which is equals to 0. So in this case, we will have 1 for the numerator and 1 as well for the denominator. So at the end, limits when x approaching infinity for the function x plus 3 over x minus 4, and we will have approaching 1. So now, limit when x approaching infinity for the function x squared plus 2 over x minus 5. So if we substitute the value, and we will have infinity square, which is a infinity, plus with 2, and we will have a positive infinity over infinity minus 5. Again, we will obtain infinity for the denominator. So for this case, we denoted it as indeterminate form. So what is the strategy to solve this kind of situation? Dividing the numerator and the denominator by the highest power of x of the denominator. Again, the highest power of x of the denominator. So, what is the highest power of x for the denominator? So, the situation would be limits when x approaching infinity. If we factor out the x, so we will have x plus 2 over x over x bracket 1 minus 5 over x. Simplify the situation. Limits when x approaching positive infinity, x plus 2 over x over 1 minus 5 over x. Kindly substitute the situation. So in here we will obtain 0 and 0. Here we will have infinity. So the situation would be infinity over 1. So for this case, limits when x approaching infinity for the function x squared plus 2 over x minus 5 equals to infinity. So Here we are, and thanks for watching.